Hey everyone, this is Chris with High Seas Cruising. And I've already posted a video today, but I got some great cruising news that I just had to share with everyone concerning Alaska. New Hope has come out, and we're going to talk about it right after this. All right, Alaska cruises. Looks like there may still be some hope for the Alaskan 2021 cruise season. And I'm going to read a little bit of this here, but U.S. Senators Lisa Murkowski and Dan Sullivan from Alaska have introduced the Alaskan Tourism Recovery Act. Now, this is in response to Canada's prohibiting cruise ships from visiting any of their ports until 2022. Okay. Now, due to the Passenger Vessel Services Act, foreign flagged cruise ships cannot transport passengers from one U.S. port to another without stopping in a foreign country. And we've all heard of that one before, and is one of the reasons why we've been concerned about the Alaskan cruise season. However, there may now be hope. So the Alaskan Tourism Recovery Act would allow cruise ships to sail round trip from Seattle to Alaska in 2021 due to the extraordinary impacts of the COVID-19 pandemic on Alaskan communities. And they're quoted saying, Canada's recent decision to prohibit Alaska-bound cruise ships from operating in Canadian waters creates legal hurdles that will hamstring the Alaska cruise season, creating additional economic strain on Alaska's entire economy, especially in our southeast communities. Alaskan communities are already facing severe economic hardship and uncertainty from missing one tourism season as a result of COVID-19. We have seen double-digit employment declines in Southeast and more than a 30% drop in revenue statewide. Missing another cruise season would only compound the economic fallout that has been devastating for so many families, said Senator Murkowski. By providing this technical fix to the PVSA for Alaska-bound cruise ships from the state of Washington, we are taking significant steps towards safely resuming cruise ship activity and economic certainty at a time when Alaska needs it the most. So, while not a sure thing, definitely does not mean at this point that we are going to get to cruise on Alaska in 2021, but at least it is some proactive activity. Somebody is out there trying to do something. The two senators got this bill in. It's got to get voted on. Even if this does pass, the CDC would still have to approve cruising and allow it to resume in the United States, but at least it would be one more hurdle that we're already past. And once test cruises begin and sailing begins, there is a chance that some of the 2021 Alaskan cruise season can be saved. And Alaska needs it. Our cruise ports up there need it. The tourism up there needs it. They need the income that would come from this. And I know there are plenty of cruisers ready to go to Alaska or any cruise right now if they would just open it back up. All right, so this is just a short video to bring you that information, let you know it is out there. There is a 2-page bill that they have submitted that you can read if you're looking for further information. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let's give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and we will see you out on the high seas eventually.